Right, just came through security there. Pretty good.
Yeah.
No real problems.
We left away from the bag, I got swabbed. But
Yeah, his bag got swabbed, but nothing in it. So yeah, so we're just going to head to Skyscape now, and yeah, we'll check in with you then. Talk to you later, bye. So yeah, so we're just here now, hanging out in Skyscape. Going to get a couple of scoops in, see how the morning takes us.
stay here, fuck the flight.
Yeah,
Nice, yeah.
fuck the flight. Fuck the flight, stay in the Skyscape. Smoking a fag. So we're going to get on the plane in a bit. Might check in with you before that. Alright, bye. Yeah, so we're just So we're just at the security gate, or at the boarding gate now, waiting. Flight's
Almost there.
almost on the plane.
Turn this place from Berlin to Berlin.
Oh,
Hit the town green and red, so we will.
woohoo! So we're going to check in with you when we're on the plane. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Right, so we just arrived here in Berlin. Couldn't do a video on the plane because we weren't sitting beside each other. It's weird, we're not together in these things. So yeah, just
Definitely not weird otherwise.
Just coming through, and yeah, we'll talk to
Tag a
you.
mate, like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe for more of these travelog videos. Gonna go and get a hot pint. And chill out. Hot pint in the bus. Chill out for a bit. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Right, so we're just landed in Alexanderplatz. Gonna go out.
Fucking tag,
Guten
motherfuckers.
Tag. Welcome to Berlin, baby. So yeah, we're just gonna go. Woo! Just gonna go and get some breakfast now.
Yeah,
We're both really tired. So talk to you later. Bye. Right, so we're here in front of the Brandenburg Gate. Just
Yeah.
had a beer there down the road.
Some lad called Brendan had a burger here years ago.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Stuck down a cold brewski.
Cold brewski there in the belly, and there's some kind of anti-vlogger protest going on behind us, so we better shut this off now. But we
piss in the face. Tag, like, and subscribe.
like and subscribe. So we're just in the lift in the Airbnb. Burn it down. Just burn it down or going down?
We're going down.
Going down.
Hopefully later on, who?
Oh. So I'm just heading out now. Heading out in the lift. Right. So we're here outside a kebab house out in
Going to a
Kreuzberg.
sex club.
Going to a sex club. I didn't really particularly want to go to a sex club,
No,
but
we're going. Apparently you can get in. There's like costumes and stuff.
so now we're going to get costumes.
Yeah, we're going getting costumes.
At great expense.
Yeah, and
But, whatever.
He wanted to go for currywurst.
Buys.
Oh yeah, but we're the best of friends.
Yeah, we're the best of buys.
We're
Like and subscribe for more of these video logs.
fucking
And I suppose
Sex
we'll see you after the sex club. See how that goes.
in there.
We're going to try and record video in there, I guess.
Tag a mate. Tag a mate. Tag a mate.
Tag your mate.
Yeah, we're here in like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Hey, alright. Hey, last night in Berlin.
It's a fucking o'clock, man.
6 o'clock.
Jesus, we're fucking hanging today. Hanging.
But it's been a good trip.
Yeah, didn't do no tourist shit. Just
Just
passed out, boozed out, pizzaed out.
pizza. Shot a pizza again.
Live
Can I
it-
shot a pizza?
yeah,
I'd cut this into it later. Post it.
Living the
Okay.
life that
Like,
you all want to
subscribe.
live. That's why you fucking got to like and subscribe and tag a mate.
Tag a mate.
You want to live
Especially
like
tag a mate.
the J Dog and the Fat Man.
Yeah.
Digging it down in Berlin. Peace out.
Good night, Berlin. I'm going to pan across now. Where's it? I'll pan across the pizza box. Oh no, it's facing the wrong way. Like that.
Oh.
Like and subscribe. Right. So, J-Dog here. Being solo. Fat Man's in Australia at the moment. I'm here at Schönefeld Airport. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. And about to head back to Ireland. And so I got loud in this place. Text message there this morning from the missus. She's let me. I didn't tell her that I was coming on this trip with Fat Man, and I haven't really been in touch with her the last few days either, so that's that. So I'm not really sure what I'm heading back to in Ireland, to be honest with you. But it's been a good trip. It's worth it, I think. Susan, if you're watching this, please like and subscribe. I love you. And tag me. Bye.